Hi my friends, this is Ian over at Buildabizonline with another tutorial video. Now, as you know, if you've logged into your members area just lately, we have some free advertising for you. This advertising goes out to all of our members so that when they log in, they will see your ads and everybody else's ads on this right hand side. Okay, so what you can do is to click onto one of these ads. It doesn't matter whether you click on the image, the title or the description. If you click on there, it will take you to somebody's advertising. So there we are, 2 seconds, 1 second. Once this turns to green, you have been credited to your account. Now, what does that mean? Well, what you can do is come over here to add, edit, track your login ads. You can click on there and you can add your own. Now, this is a brand new account that we're testing, okay? So what you would do, if you want to show the rest of the members at Buildabizonline your ads, you would put a title in there, you would put the affiliate link there, and you would check to see what credits you've got. Well, there's 52 here. Now, there is a warning, assign your credits below, but don't use them all up on one ad, unless that's all you want to promote. So let's say I added 25, okay? Then that's 25 credits used. And then what we would do, let me put something in here, build a biz, okay? And then I'm going to put okay, and then we would preview it. So we would check it to make sure all is working, and it is working, and you can proceed. So what you would do is click on there, and then you would add your 125 times 125 banner and add a description. And then you would submit the ad. Now, these are free, and it's a service that we provide. But if not enough people use it, we will just take it out. Okay, so it's entirely up to you. You are affiliate marketers and you are reaching out to other affiliate marketers. So this is what we call targeted traffic, because people at Buildabizonline, all the members here are affiliate marketers and they're always looking for something. Okay, and you are always wanting to promote something. So this is free advertising. So all you would do, click on there and add your ads. Okay, my friends? So this is Ian signing out saying thanks for now, and we'll see you in the next video. But use it or lose it. It's entirely up to you. Okay, my friends, bye.